Welcome. If you want to stay up to date with the latest server suggestions and events, enabling recommendation emails on Discord is the way to go. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to turn on recommendation email notifications using the latest Discord update on your PC. Let's jump right in. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Now, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your username and avatar, and right next to them is a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon to open your user settings menu. Once you're inside user settings, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on Notifications to open up all the notification options available to you. In the Notifications menu, scroll down until you see the section called Email Notifications. Here, you'll find several toggles for different types of email alerts like communication, social, announcements, tips, and, of course, recommendations. To enable recommendation emails, simply switch on the toggle next to Recommendations. This will allow Discord to send you emails about suggested servers and events that match your interests, helping you discover new communities and stay engaged with what's happening on Discord. That's all it takes. You've now enabled recommendation email notifications. From now on, you'll receive curated suggestions and updates directly in your inbox, so you never miss out on something interesting. If you ever want to adjust your email preferences again, just follow these same steps and toggle on or off any notification types you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your improved Discord experience.